Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me. I knew no release, but Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
All right, so as you can see, I have the avocado seed. It's ready to transplant into the soil. Avocado thrives really well in warm, humid conditions and in sandy soil. So it's very hot and humid today. So I'm going to transfer this into the greenhouse. All right, so it's ready to go. Hello, hello. So as you can see, I pretty much used a cardboard box, had cut off the bottom part with garden scissors, but prior to that, I had in the greenhouse digged the ground, more ground, so that I have more soil depth, and I prefer to directly plant it in the ground just to see. And so that's what I did, and I added more of the black earth that I had purchased along with the composts and worm castings. Of course, you get natural worms from in the country anywhere. So when I ever see a worm with my gloves, I would put it into the soil. All right, so that's it. And I hope you were blessed by this short, brief, quick garden update. As you know, I am not experienced gardener. If anything, I can learn from you. And if you are new to this channel, you may want to see my previous videos of my first garden journey and experience, and so forth. You can go to the playlist where I entitled it Country Living, and you'll see all the videos that I've posted on all country living updates. All right, so that's it. God bless you. And not only as we work the garden, when we are willing to work with our hands, He is willing to work with our hearts. God bless you, and bye for now.
Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting. Him, O sinner.